Hi Vishal, good morning.
Hi. Long time.
Long time. After a long time, we are back. And yesterday, Mumbai was back, and Rohit is also back. So, एक साथ तीन comebacks हो रहे हैं
Which
आज.
is great because whenever Rohit is back, it almost as if he lights up the tournament.
Correct.
Commentators run out of superlatives.
Yeah.
His
Yes,
fans run out of fan videos and reels.
yes. And but I was watching him play yesterday. He struggled till now, and clearly, people said everything, and we don't have to repeat. From उसकी health से लेके उसकी हर एक चीज के ऊपर लोगों ने कमेंट कर दिया. But yesterday, the way he was hitting sixes, he was back 10 years back. He rolled back time.
Yes.
वो वापस वही stands में डाल रहा था. And the good news that he probably obviously heard and was so emotional about कि उसके नाम का वानखेड़े में एक stand बन रहा है. वहीं पे छक्के मार रहा था वो दोनों तरफ उसने. And he was back in that, because we all know he is probably not, if not the best timer of the ball. वो जो बॉडी वेट, वो स्विवल वाला शॉट है उसका, जहां पे वो दूसरे लोग नहीं मार सकते. दूसरे लोग जोर से मार सकते हैं. आप टिम डेविड ले लो या इवन स्काई ले लो फॉर दैट मैटर, वो हैंड ये करके. बट उसका, रोहित का जो स्टाइल है, दैट इज हिज. दैट इज नॉट, आई थिंक, रेप्लिकेटेड. दैट कैन नॉट बी आल्सो, आई थिंक, रेप्लिकेटेड. प्योर जीनियस.
और वो लास्ट 2-3 मैच से भी 18-26 ही वाज हिटिंग. वो जोन वही था इंटेंट वाला कि मैं मारूंगा, आते ही कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा टाइम.
कल एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा था.
कल फाइनली पूरा एग्जीक्यूट हुआ.
एग्जीक्यूट.
तो भी फेयर टू हिम, उसको कुछ बहुत खतरनाक डिलीवरीज भी मिली. उसको एक अच्छे यॉर्कर्स मिले, अच्छे इन स्विंगर्स मिले एक दो बार जब वो बोल्ड हुआ है. बट आई थिंक दैट्स
पुराना डिबेट है हमारा, उसीलिए तो वो है ना यहाँ पे.
हाँ,
he has to be able to play those. अभी आप बोलोगे अरे बुमराह को तो अच्छा मार दिया, पर बुमराह को ही मार दिया तो क्या फायदा फिर. कोई बोले कोई बच्चे को किसी को उठा के.
आई थिंक द स्टेज विद हिम नाउ इज दैट जिसमें वो मारेगा ना आपको मैच जिता देगा वो.
यस.
जैसे चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी फाइनल हो या वो T20 वर्ल्ड कप का ऑस्ट्रेलिया मैच हो या इंग्लैंड सेमीफाइनल हो, वो मारेगा, वो खुद ही जिता देगा आपको.
he's a match winner, that there is no doubt in that. It's just वो फ्रीक्वेंसी उसको बढ़ानी, कंसिस्टेंसी लानी पड़ेगी.
बस वो है.
ऐसा ना हो कि वो ऐसे 10 मैचों में ना खेले, फिर एक या दो में खेले, फिर then it will become a drag like धोनी. और जैसे हम विराट कोहली को भी, फिर जब एक दिन 100 मारते तो सब भूल जाते कि गाली दे के हमने 6 महीने निकाले. But that will not work, especially because now we know that these guys are old. They are not as fit, not as young, not as agile. बाकी सारी चीजें दिख रही है, वो भाग रहा है कैसे, उसका पेट आ गया है. So all those things we can ignore जब तक छक्के पड़ रहे हैं. That's.
But I think very interesting IPL. अगर पहली 4 टीमें मुझे कोई बोलता हाफवे स्टेज पे ये होगी जो हैं,
I would have never thought.
बैंगलोर और दिल्ली, गुजरात टाइटंस एक बार का फिर भी समझ लिया कि चलो they have been reasonably consistent performers and they got some interesting signings like Josh Butler. बटर बहुत अच्छा साइनिंग था उनके लिए, बट
doing very well.
and is doing very well. बट अगर कोई ये बोलता कि ये 3 होगी उन 4 में से, मानना मुश्किल होता है. दे आर फेयरली कंफर्टेबल. चारों ने 10-10 पॉइंट पे पहुंच गए हैं.
अच्छा, आई वुड हैव बिलीव्ड कि मुंबई और चेन्नई नीचे रहेंगे इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टॉप, क्योंकि वो हर साल होता है. बट ये 4 ऊपर रहेंगे, आई एग्री विद यू. ये नहीं सोचा था.
आई थिंक राजस्थान हैज बीन अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट फ्रॉम लूजिंग मैचेस फ्रॉम सच ग्रेट विनिंग पोजीशंस. इतनी भी खराब टीम नहीं है. हालांकि द फैक्ट दैट दे एंडेड अप लूजिंग बोथ बटलर एंड चहल to me was a bit surprising. I think something went wrong in that option and even in the choice of player retention. But फिर भी a couple of matches that they lost very strange. और ये संजू सैमसन का पूरा जो चल रहा है ना, वो बहुत स्ट्रेंज है. वो क्यों पहले 3 मैच में कैप्टन नहीं बना खुद से ही, फिर अचानक बैठ गया. अभी क्या चल रहा है उसका समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. A guy was doing so well in South Africa for the Indian team. अब अचानक से लॉस ऑफ फॉर्म हो गया है. क्या
he's scoring runs. He's still I mean, he's not in the top this thing, but कुछ ना कुछ तो कर रहा है.
कुछ तो है.
Sometimes Vishal, what happens, no, if there are too many stars, and that's also probably what happened with Mumbai ना, सबको लगता है कि दूसरा मार लेगा या कोई ना कोई तो मार लेगा. तुम्हारे पास अगर इतने सुपर स्टार्स है, सुपर डुपर स्टार्स है, मतलब स्काई ले लो तुम, बुमराह भी अभी आ गया वापस, ऑलरेडी रोहित था, you know, so you don't like, nobody is missing right now कि ईशान किशन तो नहीं है अभी अपने मुंबई की टीम में, from Mumbai point of view I'm saying, और not that he went somewhere and yeah वो first match में 100 मार दिया, उसका he's not done any great performances after that also, and those auction, I don't know whether to call them faux pas that some of the teams have committed, they are paying a high price.
Yeah.
You know, KL Rahul जो perform कर रहा है, I am sure उसका, you will once wonder कि यार इसको जाने दिया, you know, कैसे जाने दिया, you know.
And then coming to his previous team, LSG,
Hmm.
I mean, to me, I thought वो middling performance रहेगा उनका, but I think they've done fairly well to be at 5th.
Yeah, they're doing.
Their owner pressure continues to be
Guys,
a topic of contention.
maybe that pressure can work and take them towards the end also, or it can break you, because it's not a nice, if the stories are to be believed. See, nobody wants to be how we all work, wherever people work in offices or they have jobs, nobody likes a bad boss. चाहे तुम्हारा काम अच्छा हो बुरा हो, whether you are weak or you're failing once in a while, वो अलग चीज है, but nobody likes to be, you know, publicly humiliated. आज तुमने करोड़ों रुपए दिए,
सारे owners, I mean, even Mumbai Indians, that were ruthless in terms of their ownership, the way they manage their players, the entire Hardik Rohit fiasco that happened, the way Tilak Verma was retired hurt at a time where he felt bad so much that he put it out there publicly. I think ज़्यादातर owners ruthless ही हैं.
There is the difference.
The hats off to Bangalore and पंजाब के हार के भी वो इतने रूथलेस लगे नहीं, तो सारे रूथलेस ही हैं.
But see, that is the point, no, लगे नहीं, because publicly कभी किसी ने किसी को ऐसा humiliate नहीं किया, जो KL के साथ हुआ, KL Rahul के साथ, that video, that clip is never going to go. It's there on the internet for eternity.
I think even the Rohit Sharma episode was handled poorly by MI publicly.
Yes, I mean you can say, but now, I mean, unless
cover up अच्छा हो गया बाद में,
cover up भी अच्छा हो गया, उसके लिए अभी stand बन रहा है, मतलब Rohit is getting his due in many other ways also.
Yeah.
You know, so and for whatever it is, these guys, they still, अभी उसको impact player एक match में बना देते, whatever, they're not dropping him or whatever. These first 4-5 matches, he could have been dropped the way he was otherwise playing, but ठीक है, उसको at least they're keeping him. So that, अभी अंदर की बात क्या है, nobody knows. It might be ruthless, whatever, but
Rahane for me though has been a surprise package. He's performed very well, though उसकी team struggle कर रही है, because I think they're not using Russell and Rinku well. बहुत नीचे आ रहे हैं वो लोग.
That is the problem. There are teams like it. That's what I was saying earlier. You have too many stars in your lineup now. That becomes a problem. And then there is this hunger कि पहले Indian player को आगे भेजो. Some teams are overdoing that also. You know, it can work, cannot work, but you never know. That's a gamble. अभी आपके पास रसल पड़ा हुआ है 6-7 नंबर पे, और आप
8 नंबर पे,
you know, so then you have to think who you are sending at number 4 and 5 and why are they giving you, you know.
And the worry is they're also playing with Rinku's mind. इतना नीचे भेजेंगे उसको, suddenly I think he's feeling lost. He's feeling कि वो उतना contribute नहीं कर पा रहा है. Yeah, and I see that somewhat loss of confidence also in him.
It's quite possible, but that's how competitive IPL is, right? क्योंकि कल एक कोई बच्चा, जैसे अभी हमने नाम भी नहीं सुना था, प्रियांश आर्या ले लो, you know, जो वो आगे 50-50 मार रहा है, तो अगर नीचे एस्टैब्लिश प्लेयर भी होगा, वो सोचेगा साला अब मेरी जगह बचेगी नहीं, ये तो मेरा ओपनिंग तो गया. That means
even Vaibhav Suryavanshi, 14 साल का बच्चा,
अरे
crazy, absolutely crazy.
30 रन भी मार लेना for an international level का bowling जो आपके सामने आ रहा है, you're 14 years old, that's it. So एक तो physically उतना able और fit रहना, to have that kind of strength to hit the six, and then to have that mental strength कि नहीं मैं खड़ा हूँ, मैं मारूंगा. Obviously they would have given him a free hand, they would have tried to calm his nerves and everything, which would have helped him and worked in for his confidence. But
Dravid as coach, I think, is a boon for players.
Yeah, but finally execute तो तुमको ही करना है ना.
Yes, yes.
So he's done it, so hats off to him.
The big disappointment though to me and very surprising is SRH. I think वो सब महिषासुर और दानव जैसे बैट्समैन भरे हुए हैं वहां पे.
It's
और वो इस तरह से फेल हो रहे हैं. अच्छा, बॉलिंग भी.
bowling भी नहीं हो रही. They were known for their, yeah, SRH at one point was used to be the best bowling side in any of these IPL tournaments.
बैटिंग लाइनअप देखो, पागल हो जाए आदमी. एंड यू आर लैंग्विशिंग एट 9th. बहुत स्ट्रेंज है, बहुत स्ट्रेंज है. To me, they have been a disappointment, given that they reached the finals last year. I was expecting them to bludgeon everyone.
They started very well.
They started very well. I don't know how they've lost their way.
Consistency again, which also goes to prove कि भैया ईशान किशन is not a consistent guy. तो उसका if he would have made 30-30 in every match, no, somebody would have said अरे इसको इंडियन टीम में क्यों निकाला. Now they'll be like अच्छा वो निकाल दिया, ऐसे नहीं खेलते, एक मैच में खेलता है फिर 10 मैच नहीं खेलता है. So now he's justified his being dropped. Yes. Apart from the other issues that he had, disciplinary actions and all that.
Yes.
So,
but very competitive IPL. I mean, 5 teams on 10, 1 on 8 and 1 on 6. This is really, really very competitive. I think कल के मैच के बाद, purely because the net run rate is extremely poor, I think you can safely say that CSK is almost out.
It's out.
Unless they win all the next 6 matches.
Even then they might struggle because that's
all 6 matches will take them to 16. But it seems all 6 matches on current form तो बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है.
नहीं, जीत भी गए तो there will be some other teams जो 16 तक पहुंचेंगे. There will be many teams. In fact, this is the kind of IPL जहाँ पे अगर अभी उल्टा हो गया, पहले हाफ का उल्टा हो गया तो सबके सब वही 14-16 में आ जाएंगे.
So I must say that Dhoni is doing no great service to his legacy. I think brick by brick it is being destroyed. I think he should have retired 2 years back. And यहाँ पे रोहित शर्मा को नहीं छोड़ते जो एटलीस्ट जब जितना भी मार रहा है 17 बॉल 26 या वो एटलीस्ट अच्छे से मार रहा है.
I completely agree with you, Vishal.
He's clearly struggling.
At the same time, I think I'm not surprised. See, we all know Dhoni's personality. He's a stubborn guy. He's always been rock solid but stubborn. ये करना है तो मैं यही करूंगा.
Hypocritical here, unlike जहाँ पे जब उसने इंडियन टीम से इतने लोगों को निकाला कि भाई अब इनकी जरूरत नहीं है टीम को आगे बढ़ने के लिए. एंड उनमें से कई लाइक सहवाग, युवराज, हरभजन, जहीर, इन लोग का तो करियर का बॉटम पे भी नहीं पहुंचे थे. ये लोग मिड लेवल पे थे. ये इनको 2-4 और मौके दिए होते वापस फॉर्म में आ जाते हैं. और इसने गंभीर उसी स्टेज पे निकाल दिया. He is at rock bottom in terms of performance.
But वो खुद भी तो इंडियन टीम से उसी स्टेज पे निकला, वरना वो आज भी खेल रहा होता ना. This is the IPL is a different.
So the rules he applied to himself also as a player when playing for India.
So then he's not hypocritical.
He's not applying to himself when he's playing for CSK. And people say कि अब और कोई है नहीं लीडर, उसी को रहना पड़ेगा. That is also a problem with him, ना. What legacy has he created? Then Saurav Ganguly has to be credited for a lot more wins.
He made captains.
Even for the wins that happened after his retirement, because वो एक legacy create करके चला गया.
Yeah, true.
आई थिंक यहाँ पे ना तो वो आइडियली रैना को पास ऑन होना चाहिए था. रैना को कंसिडर ही नहीं किया गया कभी. उसको बड़ा अनसेरेमोनियसली डंप कर दिया गया. देन जडेजा के साथ दे शुड हैव स्टक अराउंड. अभी ऋतुराज भी बीच में आता है फिर नहीं होता है. आई थिंक ओवरऑल कैप्टनसी हैंडओवर अच्छे से नहीं हुआ है इनको.
हो नहीं पाया. दे मेड जडेजा एंड देन दे हैड टू हाफवे चेंज इट बिकॉज़ उसने मना किया या ओनर्स ने. वी डोंट नो द इनसाइड स्टोरी. जडेजा का स्टोरी इज आउट ऑन द इंटरनेट. भी उसने कोविड के टाइम पे मना किया था. दे सैक्ड हिम. दैट हैड नथिंग टू डू विद धोनी.
रैना का डेफिनेटली सस्पिशियस है क्या होगा.
सॉरी, रैना का नॉट जडेजा. आई सेड जडेजा बाय मिस्टेक. जडेजा को कैप्टन बनाया. He withdrew or they whatever, God knows what happened.
I mean, Ruturaj is not there. You make Jadeja for the rest of the season. Yeah, someone else. धोनी को आने की कहाँ जरूरत है? Plus, you are coming at 9 when the target is beyond reach. मतलब it's ridiculous. And then what is strange is that Chennai की fan following इतनी strange है कि वो हारे हुए मैच में 2 छक्के मारता है. They start clapping and enjoying, forgetting conveniently that the match is lost.
See, I don't know if you saw that discussion where officially it was communicated that Dhoni's role in the team is, given his age and his fitness, to come and bat only if required for 3 to 5 overs. He said this, and it's the
See,
team
the problem
management.
there is धोनी को आप
But-
impact player भी नहीं बना सकते हो क्योंकि वो
नहीं, but that role has been defined, right? अगर वो कहता है कि नहीं मैं तो खेल सकता हूँ 20 ओवर, भाग ओपनिंग आके मैं खेल, then that would have been a problem.
impact player रहना चाहिए.
Yeah, maybe.
वो भी नहीं रह सकता क्योंकि कीपर भी उसी को रहना है.
कर भी रहा है लेकिन अभी भी his keeping is still bang on.
Yeah, but
You saw his stump out, you saw his run out with the glove.
yeah, but
उसने
what is
ऐसे
happening?
डाला.
What is happening therefore? They're wasting one. जैसे आज उन्होंने, I don't agree with Rohit being impact player, but अगर उन्होंने decide किया कि रोहित को खिलाना है, at least उन्होंने impact player बना दिया, तो रोहित का usefulness is way beyond just his batting.
But that's because Rohit is one trick pony. उसको बैटिंग ही आती है.
हाँ.
धोनी कीपर है.
But the kind of inputs he gives in captaincy or even on the field, if you वो that is way beyond. वो dugout से input दे रहा है, उससे result देख लो आप जो हो रहा है.
हाँ.
So वहाँ पे I would say कि for whatever it's worth, आज Rohit is way more useful than what Dhoni is for Chennai.
Absolutely. That's why Mumbai is high, I mean, we were both languishing at the bottom.
Yeah.
CSK and Mumbai both. But anyway, I think
again, Virat is playing well, but if he doesn't win the IPL again, to me all his innings are meaningless because कल भी जो उसने मारा वो IPL standards के हिसाब से एक slow innings थी. If you see Rohit's innings, he decimated. वो IPL standards के हिसाब से भी strong innings थी. तो I strongly believe जो भी विराट बना रहा है अभी भी आज के दिन की रेट पे नहीं मार रहा है रन्स.
वो तो नहीं मार रहा है, but see they've officially, in fact even the commentators say that Virat is the king of consolidation. उसका काम रोल ही वही है. See, a lot of these guys have been defined, their roles have been defined in a very corporate
IPL में there is no role for consolidation. अब जब 2-2 250 रन बन रहे हैं
होता है ना इनका, जब चले जाते पहले दो प्लेयर पहली ओवर में, दूसरी तीसरी ओवर में, तो करता है वो फिर, एंड जहां पे जरूरत है वहां पे मार सकता है. बट वी नो दैट हिज गेम इज नॉट एज अटैकिंग एज रोहित एंड नेवर विल बी. अभी थोड़ी चेंज होगी इस एज में आके, इस स्टेज पे आके.
Then I'll strongly value the 20s and 30s that Rohit is making.
Absolutely.
If he continues to make those 20s and 30s, I would any day value those.
No, absolutely. See, there is no doubt as a I would include all white ball cricket, but definitely IPL player में Rohit is a more valuable player than Kohli. अब हिस्ट्री उठा के देख लो, वो अब तक एक कप जीत नहीं पाया डिस्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग कैप्टन, नॉट बीइंग कैप्टन, बट बीइंग देयर फॉर 18 इयर्स नाउ. पूरी कैंपेन बना ली उन्होंने 18 के ऊपर, पर 18 में से एक भी आया तो नहीं. सो दैट वो तो डिबेट है ही नहीं कि रोहित फॉर T20 and definitely for IPL is a more valuable.
And what do you think of Punjab? I think they're doing fairly well. I think
Punjab is on some sort of a steroid, I think. एकदम मतलब not to sound but they are कुछ तो कर रहे वो. They have this aggressive.
Iyer have combined well.
Yes, and they're positive, very positive. So that is a although Iyer अभी पिछले 2-3 मैच में कुछ कर नहीं पाया, he got out even कल के मैच में भी, but their team overall is delivering, boss, big time.
So what's your 4 now at the halfway stage? Almost just about halfway stage.
Yeah, from an analysis point of view, it is wide open. It is impossible to pick right now top 4. Heart से पूछेगा, definitely I would want Mumbai. Gujarat आएगा ही because they are doing well already and they are just about there. Punjab definitely has a very good chance, and DC I think will be the number 4. So these would be my 4.
My pick would be Mumbai, Lucknow, Delhi, and Punjab. So
similar, you are not including one team. That's it.
GT, but I don't know why I feel GT might slip. Or rather, these 4 is what my heart wants. DC, Punjab, Lucknow, and Mumbai.
I think it's the heart only right now because analyze करना impossible है. Like you said, if the first half का जो results है वो revert कर लो, तो सबके सब 16 पे आ जाएंगे, 16-14 के बीच में आ जाएंगे. एक आध टीम 18 पे होगी. रन रेट के ऊपर होगा. कौन
their GT has done well. I think almost 0.9 का रन रेट, नेट रन रेट है उनका. I think जो नेगेटिव रन रेट में है अभी उनके लिए तो अब आना बहुत मुश्किल है. 8, 9, 10, 10. So Rajasthan, Hyderabad, and Chennai, whether heart also wants अब चांस बहुत कम है. राजस्थान may be an outside chance, but
I don't even think RCB will continue to be there. अभी तो ऊपर है वो, but वो it will drop now.
when they slip really bad.
एक साथ 3-4 मैच हार जाएंगे.
हार जाएंगे.
Suddenly you will see Mumbai up there. You will see Punjab तो already है, but RCB will be at number 8.
But it's a good tough IPL. जब आपको इतना मुश्किल हो रहा है बोलना.
Yes.
I think it's a good tough IPL.
It is. It's good, and that's why I'm watching more matches now. Varna, you know, I think last year I was ऐसे score check कर रहा था phone पे and all. I was not, but this year I'm, you know, sometimes I'm watching all through पूरा का पूरा matches. It's good.
Nicholas Puran holds the orange cap. I think he's been doing well for
those guys. No, West Indies. I'm unfortunately, like you said, Andre Russell को एक time chance नहीं मिला, but Sunil Narine को देख ले. निकोलस पूरन को दिल्ली कल रोमारियो शेफर्ड को चांस मिला, उसने फोड़ डाला, विकेट ले लिया उसे. मतलब सो आई एम सेइंग दीस गाइस, द कैरेबियन एटीट्यूड नो एक अलग लेवल का है. वो T20 उनके खून में है, यू नो.
Prasidh Krishna holds the purple cap, followed by Kuldeep. Kuldeep has done very well for Delhi. I think people are not talking so much about it.
Silent killer he's been, because and I think he has a big grudge and point to prove. Indian team में से जो उसको ड्रॉप मिला है, so वो चुपचाप कर रहा है अपना काम.
Among the top 6 bowlers I'm seeing in terms of leading wicket takers, he's second, but he has the best economy, 6.25 का economy. That is crazy. In this IPL जब consistently 200 runs cross किए, मतलब 8-9 में लोग खुश हो रहे हैं, ये 6.25 पे बैठा है.
But if you saw yesterday's match, Bumrah is back. He's back with his economy rates. Yeah, he's back with his bowling. And you know, this is one of the scale to measure his success, where he blocks the opposition out and other bowlers get the wickets.
Yes.
He's that good, and that's what he did yesterday also. He got one, but this shows that actually now he's back on track.
How good was Trent Bolt also in the previous?
Trent Bolt also.
6 block hole.
Yeah. Very. I mean, this is an experience, man. These guys, you can't. मतलब लाइकली कि इनको रात को 3 बजे उठा के बोला ना 6 बॉल डाल दे तो डाल देगा वो. जहां बोलेगा वहां पे यू गिव देम द स्पॉट, बिकॉज कितने ओवर्स डाले इन्होंने कितने सालों तक. ऑल दैट एक्सपीरियंस कम्स इनटू.
So I think we've discussed most of the teams. We've discussed what we want or who we want to see in the semis. Let's see how the next I think the next 7 days is going to be pretty crucial.
Yes,
it will start. I think next 7 days और कुछ नहीं तो 100% eliminations clear कर देगा. I think for me Chennai is 100% eliminated already. SRH ने एक मैच कम खेला है, 7 ही मैच खेले, so they still have 7 matches to go. राजस्थान का net run rate बहुत कम है, but they've played 8 matches. Amongst the 3 bottom teams राजस्थान का better है, but उन्होंने 8 मैच खेल लिए. But I think eliminations clear हो जाएंगे कि ये लोग तो नहीं आ रहे हैं. I think the next 7 days will give us the top 6 or 7 teams. I'm presuming. So let's discuss more in our next video.
Yes, let's do that. Let's pick on some of the, because one thing that the beginning of this IPL saw was सीधा 200 के ऊपर, you know, पहला ही मैच तो was some 270, 200. So and suddenly I thought,
the scores are coming down.
Now they're coming down. अभी वो 120, 112, 140 तक में आ जा रहे हैं. So I think it's going to swing back into, you know, the lower side, the slow matches and all that. So
which makes it interesting.
Yeah, that will be a tough fight then. Every match will be a tough fight. We'll get to discuss 30s and 25s and quick fire 15s and all. So we'll do that. Let's connect again tomorrow or as soon as we can.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye,
Vishal.